Well, it was Heathrow the other week. You live in British Airways Park.
You'll see something different about this one though to the normal ones.
It's got a winky eye.
Yeah.
And it faces as a winky eye.
Is this winky eyed?
Yeah, this is winky eyed, yep.
No, I'll get it when it's landing, when it comes back.
Where's it going, Amber? Red?
Yeah. See, that's yeah, she won't be long.
Oh, she won't be long. Yeah, there's a winky eye.
Is she winky eyed?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, she's winky eyed. I think I have to help.
Yeah.
Get you on landing as well. I'll try and get you again when you're landing. I love you. She's winky eyed. I think Airbus might have to use these to fly to Florida and all these hurricanes. To deliver supplies and stuff. Airbus might have to use them.